for shopping, so I'm going to show you what I bought. If the mic's a bit low, I haven't plugged in my external mic today. So this was my Iceland shop. It came to £98. Yeah guys, we got the sweet corn, mini corn on the cob, so I'm going to need them for my seafood boil, oven chips, frozen spinach, got some fish pie mix, seafood mix and king prawn. Those are going to go in the freezer, guys. Those are like for my quick cooking. So although it's Christmas weekend, this is my monthly shopping still, and I've got all my extra Christmas food is thawing out. Also got some baked beans and sweet corn in the tin. I love corn, guys, whether it be frozen in the tin. Paxo. Guys, 3 items they didn't have. I did order 1 large whole chicken and they didn't have it, and I ordered some lemons and they didn't have it, and I ordered some butter, they didn't have it. So I'm gonna have to go out tomorrow to Co-op and get that. I got some taco shells, coconut milk, I got 1 already, so I'm only topping up. Got some more self-raising flour because I got a thing about fried dumpling at the moment. And what's this? Soya sauce, brown sugar, some sweet peppers. I have a few already, so this is just top up. Garlic, red onion, spring onion, 2 bottles of honey, carrots, eggs, cheese, bacon, mince, a big daddy rump steak, and I have 1 already in the freezer, so I always eat 2 of those every month, man. I do a steak night. And these are potatoes, and got some toothpaste. Guys, Daz, this is, how much was this? I think it's £3 something in Iceland. I'd have to look and tell you, right? And then when you got the bold 3-in-1, the 2 pods are exactly the same, and the bold 3-in-1's about £3 more. The pods are exactly the same, so I'll start using Daz. It's just a different brand, the bold, more expensive. And we've got some rubber gloves, some oil, some orange juice to mix with my syrup. I'm gonna make some sorrel, guys, and some Bounty chocolate, and that's it, you know. And guys, I bought this. I don't even need toilet roll. I've got loads of toilet roll upstairs already, but I've never seen this before. Andrex Coconut Fresh. And if it's got a coconut, I don't know how strong it is. Will it smell in the bathroom? I don't know, because I don't really use scented things on my punash nash. But I thought I'd test out this toilet roll, and it was just £8 odd, Iceland. So that's it, guys. That is my Iceland shop. And I'm gonna pack these things away right now. Oh, also, I went in the pound shop yesterday and I bought some bits. I've already put some things away already, guys. I've got vinegar, the label fell off, but that is vinegar. And I got some freezer bags, cling film, some baking parchment paper, and kitchen foil. Guys, in regular supermarkets, kitchen foil is hitting nearly £3 for the little one, right? And it's not any big thick kitchen foil, nearly £3 in Co-op. £1, guys, £1 in Poundland shop, £1, or it might have been £1.25. All these were £1. 20 freezer bags, £1. Cling film, £1. Parchment paper, £1. That's in Poundland, guys. Poundland pound shop. I went to the one in the Kingston area. So yeah, so I'm gonna get all this shopping packed away, guys. Christmas Eve, so I'm going to be making a seafood boil. So these are defrosting. I'm going to season them up and put them in the fridge. So this is I have shrimp in here, I have snow crab legs, I have blue crab here. This is blue crabs, yeah. This is gammon joint. I'm gonna do some honey roast ham, and I'm gonna have to and I'm gonna do just the roasted regular nice Paxto stuff roasted chicken. That's what I'm gonna do, because guys, I'm working Christmas Day. I'm working from home alone, unless anybody passes through in the evening. So really and truly, all this food is just for me, Christmas Day. And with that, I'm gonna have roast potatoes, and I'm gonna mix some sorrel. I have to buy some Red Label wine tomorrow when I go out. I've got all the sorrel already. And what else have I got to get? I've got to get a bottle of syrup. I could have swore I bought some ice lollies. Did I not? I'm going to buy some ice lollies, guys, or ice cream. I don't really a sweet tooth, but, you know, have something in the house. It's Christmas. And that's it, guys. We're going to have roast potatoes. In my seafood boil, I'm gonna have corn, sausages, eggs, and potato. Yeah, and that's what's going on for my Christmas weekend. Alright guys, so I'll come back to this vlog when I start cooking. Alright? Okay. Hi guys, so this is the next day. Preparing for a Christmas cooking vlog. I don't know what we're gonna call it. So I just came back from the shop again, guys. I had to get last little bits. So I had to go and get some Red Label wine. I got 2 bottles of cherry syrup. One is for the sorrel, one is just for a regular day. And I got some fish sauce, mayonnaise, raisins. I need to go back out, guys. My white rum finished and I need more white rum. I've got oranges, I've got some cherries and pineapple rings. I had sorrel left from last year, so I had 2 bags left, and this I draw the 2 bags is enough to draw. I'm gonna cook a sweet potato pudding, guys. The shop never had any yellow yam. So I did see a recipe that's using white yam, so white yam can use, so we're just gonna go with white yam. So I've got white yam, sweet potato cocoa. I've got some ginger for my sorrel. I bought a cabbage because I'm gonna make coleslaw. I already got the carrots. I've got some butter because remember it didn't come on my shopping list yesterday. And that's all what I went out and bought today, guys. And I have here ready my scales, my cake tins. But guys, I think I am gonna try and pour some of the sweet potato pudding mixture in these muffin cases, because I think it would be nice to just have some nice little ones to just eat. So that's what's going on. Today I'm gonna season up my crab and clean my shrimp. Season them up. I'm gonna boil the ham from today. So the ham's gonna actually cook from tonight. I'm gonna season up the crab and the shrimp, and we will cook that tomorrow. And I'm gonna cook my sweet potato puddings today also. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll be back, guys, because when I'm ready to do all that, I'll switch the camera back on. You know what I didn't buy? I didn't buy the chicken. And guys, I do not lie, I do have a chicken in the freezer, but I was just feeling lazy to defrost it, and I didn't buy a chicken. And because it's me one, guys, I'm cooking a ham, I'm cooking all that shrimp, and I'm just thinking, do I really need to do the chicken? Should I do the chicken or not? I don't know whether to do the chicken. I bought Paxo and everything, but I don't know whether to do the chicken. So anyway, guys, I'll be back in a while. Guys, let me tell you my little secret. Sorry, everyone uses strawberry syrup. Trust me, C&R cherry flavour gives your sorrel a buzz, yeah? Cherry flavour, C&R cherry flavour, yeah? It's got a very nice tasting syrup, this. And it gives your sorrel a buzz. Anyway, yabba yabba yabba. Talk to you in a while.